start. Even during this period of social distancing and public lockdown, claims and counterclaims over territories in and around the Kalapani region within bracket located at the tri-junction between northern India, western Nepal and southern China / Tibet bracket close have resurfaced to become an issue that has embroiled India and Nepal in a political debate, semicolon. It is now gravitating towards a confrontational trend of popular politics. Stop. Therefore, it is pertinent to look at our South Asian mentalities as to how such disputes are within court handled rather than within court addressed within the given dispensation of South Asian statecraft. Stop para. One of the major problems of South Asian politics is that it has to flow from within a state-centric paradigm. Stop. State-centrism within the assumption of a South Asia has given the state structure the propriety to be the sole arbiter of disputes, if any, among communities and regions falling within the territorial limits of nation states. Stop. It is the state that articulates, defines, and represents within court national interests in negotiations with other states. Stop. Experience suggests that states in South Asia consecrate political boundaries as the within court natural shield even in the arbitration of South Asian affairs. Stop. Interestingly, this within court realist fashion of statecraft happens to be the dominant South Asian pattern within which territorial boundaries are valued more than lives, livelihoods, and the well-being of the people located at the edges of nation states. Stop. Within court, patriotism looms large as and when interstate relationships are viewed through the statist lens. Although within court, jingoism might be missing. Stop. Myopic hostility, real or imagined, is used as the governing principle in the arbitration of territorial disputes across South Asia. Stop para. Basically, the term within court region seems to be a contested idea in a South Asian context, as none of the South Asian states has ever recognized and respected the idea of regional identity or regional politics, while becoming suspicious of such natural cleavages in politics. Stop. Given that this is a reality, how could one even think of South Asia as a region to reckon with? Question mark. One must understand that South Asia is perhaps the most natural regional grouping of states around the world. Stop. And at the same time, it is also the most difficult and contested grouping. Stop. South Asia needs to be rethought not as a region of states but as a region of regions. Stop. As such, it demonstrates itself more as a borderland that needs to be cultivated out of contact zones which exist beyond the limits of territorial boundaries shared by the member states. Stop para. Such a perspective is necessary in order to address the contemporary crisis that has emerged from the Kalapani dispute. Stop. There is a need to go beyond the popular debates within bracket couched in the language of within quote myopic hostility quotation close bracket close revolving around such within quote troubling questions such as colon how much area has been within quote encroached upon by which state and on what basis stop. Such questions appear to be within quote normal in the way a within quote statist paradigm deals with the issue semicolon, but they seem to be within quote troubling if not within quote hunting questions to those who are to maintain their life world at those zones which are inexplicable to a within quote realist or a within quote neo-realist statist paradigm. Stop para. South Asian life, essentially at the edges of the nation state, is bound to be fluid because the boundary which confirms the territorial limits of a nation state is at the same time the affirmed threshold of another nation state. Stop. In a certain sense, the people living at the edges of nation states within South Asia do not actually belong to any of the two nation states. Stop. Or, in other words, they belong to both the states at the same time. Stop. Non-sedentary practices define their life courses while switching positionalities animate their aspiration of belonging. Stop. Plurality, differences, and inclusivity bring coherence to borderland ontology. They defy the logic of singular, unifying exclusive identities that the nation states privilege. Stop para. Howsoever real the within quote realist positions may be, borderlands act as natural vessels to de-essentialize the statist paradigm. Stop. As places of habitation, such spaces are more real than what the within quote realist positions of statecraft might make out of them. Dash for those who live in them. Stop. Administrative treaties and tribunals represent them as special categories, semicolon, but as lived spaces they hardly fit into the protocols of a statist paradigm. Stop. This is crucial, especially when we know that as countries, both India and Nepal not only share cultural and civilizational backgrounds but also an within quote officially recognized porous border. Stop para. Unless both India and Nepal agree to see the reality beyond the gaze of the statist paradigm, they are going to endanger the future of other regional experiments such as the Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multisectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation within bracket BIMSTEC bracket close, or the Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal within bracket BBIN Sub-Regional Initiative. Stop. South Asian states need to realize the difference between within quote regional cooperation quotation close merely as advocacy and as an issue that demands self-approval and self-promotion. Stop.